Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make spicy gravy sauce. First, gather ingredients and prep aromatics like onions and garlic so everything cooks evenly. Start by browning your base to build flavor, then sprinkle in spices and deglaze with stock to lift those brown bits. Simmer until thickened, taste for heat and seasoning, and finish with butter or cream for a glossy, balanced sauce you can pour over meats or sides. Choose spices that build complexity and balance heat with aroma. Toast dried spices briefly to release oils and enhance flavor, then grind or sprinkle them in stages for depth. Combine smoky paprika with a touch of cayenne for kick, and add fresh chilies if you want brightness and texture. Remember to taste and adjust as it reduces since the sauce concentrates, and balance with acid like vinegar or lemon if needed. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's black ice is great for keeping your car fresh after shopping for ingredients, and it smells way better than last week's takeout. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like so I can keep bringing recipes your way. I put the product link and other deals in the description, so check there for details. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Thickening is key to a good gravy, so pick a method that suits your diet and timing. Make a roux in the pan for nutty flavor, or whisk in a cornstarch slurry for quick clarity without gluten. Reduce slowly while whisking to avoid lumps, and adjust thickness with extra stock or a splash of cream. Finish with butter for sheen and strain if you prefer an ultra-smooth, restaurant-style gravy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.